I don't like cinnamon bagel. That's the thing.
I'm sorry. It's a bug?
No, I lost. I miss your ritual.
So you got
Sauce.
Beckham here today. You want to grab the camera? You want to grab the camera? Is that what you're trying to do? I'm just fascinated by this camera. Every time I turn it on, his eyes follow it. Right, buddy? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. It's white tongue. It's the old milk breath effect.
All the babies are like that. Hello. My weight is always there.
Eyes on the camera. It's always fascinated by it. Trying to figure it out. Unfurl your little brow, buddy. Here, would you lift you up a little bit?
We don't have any rice.
Oh, good. Oh, good job.
God bless you, lady.
See, I like my double chin. I like my double chin. I think my double chin is awesome. Just awesome.
By the way,
I think he likes the camera because it's black, so he can distinguish it really well from other things in the room. Oh, I see that. I see that really well.
makes sense.
Here, let's see how wide your ears can get. Oh, let's go this way. Wah, wah, wah.
This bagel is really, really
Hard, yeah, because it's not fresh anymore.
oh gosh.
Okay. That's the other ear. That's the other ear. Look how long it is! Look how long it is! Did Harmony and Harabuji see your peckle? Did they see your peckle? Your peckle? All healed up. All healed up. See, this is my snazzy little gown with teddy bears on it, given to me by, was it Jin-san? Namsu. Namsu Imo gave you this. Organic cotton. Organically grown cotton.
So it's quite big.
It's just a little bit big on me.
And did you show the socks? You just snazzy socks.
Oh yeah, snazzy little socks. So yeah, have to show those. See, we got red and gray socks on. See if we can pull them up. Your socks are loose, buddy. Is that better? Where's that thing that Dad got? The blue thing. The one that's too tight on him.
Here.
Yeah, bring it. I want to show it.
Maybe it was not that tight, but
It's not that tight, but it's too short. So, do you remember this piece of this outfit you got for him? Yeah. Say, Grandpa got me this at Sam's Club. And it's too short on me. It's too short. My legs are just too long. My legs are too long. It's too short on me.
So it's a hiccup, by the way.
Yep, hiccup.
He peed.
Oh. Indeed he did. Okay, diaper check. Diaper check.
What?
He just convulses with them. Alright, time to get the diaper done.